So you have found the perfect MLM for you, and you are so, so excited. And if you haven't watched my video on how to choose that perfect MLM, definitely do that. It'll be in the description below. You can watch that video, the certain things that you want to look for. So you're excited. You found the one that you think resonates with you the most. And now what? So one thing that I think is really, really helpful is to have realistic expectations. So many people get into network marketing. They think this is a get rich quick scheme, and it is absolutely the opposite of that. Attest to that. I've been in the industry for 16 years, been building it, been learning, been tweaking, learning more skills. But the thing that's most important, I think, and what will help you to succeed is to know that this is work. It is not easy. It is not about necessarily just recruiting family and friends and lots of sales and bringing people in. It's really a lot more about branding yourself. So it's really important that you build relationship. That is really truly what network marketing is all about, is bringing people into your network, establishing the know, like, and trust factor, establishing relationships that last, people that want to join you because they like what you're doing, they like what you represent, they like what you stand for, they like who you are. And that's the most important thing, and that will guide you through this incredible journey of network marketing. It really is. When I first got into the industry, my mentor said network marketing is a personal development opportunity with a compensation plan. And when at the time I didn't really understand it, but now I fully understand it. And that really is the beauty of the industry. And I love this quote that says, become the best messenger you can be, and the message will take care of itself. So to have a really realistic expectations is really important. You have something that you want to share. You want to become that leader. You want to become that person that people think of when they think about maybe something that they would like to get involved in, or a product that maybe they need. But until they trust you and know you, they may not reach out to you specifically. So it really is about creating a brand for yourself, like letting people know you, who you are, what you represent, what you stand for, what your values are. And that's really more of what network marketing is all about. You're always building more skills. You're always staying in that place of evaluation. People feel rejected sometimes in this industry, where if somebody says no, they're not interested, they take that personally. You have to meet people where they're at. It's tricky with family and friends, and that's typically when you join a network marketing company. Typically, people will start with family and friends, but in reality, that's typically the hardest place to start. Family and friends could be a little funny, and then you get, bad feeling about it, or they make you feel like you're being salesy when in fact you're really excited about the products that you represent. You've seen people being helped by your products, and you just want to help people. I mean, that's typically the way it is and the way that you really feel. I know for me, working in the mental wellness company, that is like, will be something that I will do to the day I leave the planet, is share this information about these products that I believe are life changing. And typically, when someone's in a network marketing company, they feel really strongly about their products. They've seen people have results, they want to share it. I think innately, people want to help people, and that's the nature of human beings. So if you can just not take anything personally when someone says no, you're going to go a long way. And if along the way of your journey, you're not talking, 6 months, it could be years and years and years that you build a network marketing business. For me, I've been in the industry for 16 years, but I've been with the mental wellness company over 6 years. And I will continue to build. I will continue to learn new skills. I will continue to show up consistently so people know that I'm still in the game. People know that I'm still representing this company. So it's really important, again, to not take things personally, to have realistic expectations, to know that this is a long game. This is a long process to really build yourself and build an organization. And it's based on trust. So I hope this makes sense. Definitely go and watch that other video on how to choose the right network marketing company or MLM for you. It's really important that you are totally aligned with the company values. You're excited about the products. You yourself have seen results, and then you're more apt to stay with it, to be able to share it genuinely, and that's what it's all about. So again, hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Thank you for being here, and I hope you're enjoying my channel. Be well.